Namaste. On International Day of Yoga, I would like to extend warm greetings to all of you. Yoga is India's greatest gift to humanity. This timeless practice nurtures soul, heal our body, and its benefit go beyond age and society and geography. So it is relevant to all age groups, all society and all individual. As yoga and other Ayush system gain increasing global recognition, ensuring its safety, credibility and quality become more important than ever. Recognizing this, Bureau of Indian Standards in year 2022 established a dedicated Ayush Division Council for formulation of standards on various Ayush domains such as Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha, Sova, Rigpa and Homeopathy. So the purpose of establishing this division council is to build public trust in our traditional medicine system. BIS has published more than 230 standards across all Ayush sectors. If we talk about yoga, standards on yoga accessories such as cotton yoga mat, neti pot, Sutra neti thread which is used for the nasal cleansing are developed. Apart from accessories standards in the yoga, the standards on practicing yoga safely is also there. You can search this standard as common yoga protocol on the BIS standards portal. In Ayurveda as well, the standards on single raw herbs such as ashwagandha are developed. So these herbs are used in preparation of various Ayurveda medicines. For the equipments which are used in Ayurveda procedures such as Panchkarma procedure, you might have heard the equipments like Droni and Shirodhara are used. So BIS has developed standards on all these two as well. And if we talk about Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy, in the similar line, standards are also developed in those systems as well, such as safety protocols to be followed during various therapy procedures such as cupping therapy procedure. So standards are there, and carrier of medicine, homeopathic globules, you might have heard that is being used for the dispensing medicine to the patient. So the standards are also there on those globules too. So not only products and services, BIS has also developed standard to cover entire array of care. So one of the very important standards I would like to highlight that a standard on Pharmacovigilance Center for Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. Currently this standard is under development and will be published soon, and I am sure that this standard will help to mitigate and monitor the risk associated with the use of medicine, and it will help safe use of medicine for everyone. Now at international level as well, India is no more just a participant. I am very happy and very proud to inform you all that we have recently acquired Secretariat for a International Committee on Ayurveda and Yoga. So this committee is commanding a global network of 13 participating countries and 19 observing countries. Through holding Secretariat, we ensure that our knowledge of Ayurveda and Yoga is appropriately addressed in global standard setting process. So as we celebrate Yoga Day this year, let us reaffirm our commitment for healthier, balanced and sustainable future through standardization, quality and wisdom of our traditional knowledge system.